Family business has the characteristics that has a specific ownership that is related not just with interest of the owners, but also the family bonds. And this creates a group of very different dynamics that influences the family and the business and the individuals. And this is for the good and for the bad. Therefore, the goal of the lab is to help the students, the participants, to be able to understand themselves and steer their own life as business family members, help to develop their families as business families with what this means, and also help to be a proper family business owners that help the business to go to the next level.
We offer a wide range of activities in our Family Business Lab. We have an elective in family business. We also offer a field trip to visit prominent business families. We also offer different sessions with guest speakers that come from family businesses. Finally, what we offer in addition to that is a virtual lab where we want to gather our Family Business Lab former students in virtual sessions where we can engage in rich and reflective conversations, creating this bonding and connection among all of us.
The lab is going to help you, not just as member of the business family, to understand your family business, but will also as an individual, also as a manager, to be able to be sensitive and to be able to develop the capacity or develop your interpersonal skills, and this is going to help you also in your professional career. The world is asking for organization with a soul, and this is what we are going to develop together in the lab.
Belonging to a business family brings lots of opportunities, but also many challenges that you have to deal with. In Esade, you have the unique opportunity to join us in the Family Business Lab, where you're going to have the opportunity to reflect and learn how to manage a central part of your life.